When Iran unveiled its military arsenal, Western intelligence agencies were shocked by capabilities they had underestimated. Indigenous production, reverse engineering, and strategic partnerships created weapons that challenge regional power dynamics. Let's begin. Ballistic missiles, strategic reach. Shahab-3, the game-changer, Iran 2003 to present. The Shahab-3 ballistic missile provides Iran with medium-range strike capability, with range between 620 to 1,240 miles depending on variant, allowing strikes across the entire Middle East, including United States military bases, Israeli cities, and Gulf oil infrastructure. The missile weighs approximately 36,375 pounds at launch, carrying a 2,200-pound warhead with liquid fuel propulsion based on North Korean Nodong technology acquired in the 1990s. Iran conducted its first successful test in 1998, and Western intelligence estimates Iran possesses several hundred Shahab-3 missiles with mobile launchers that can be dispersed and hidden, making preemptive strikes difficult. Strengths include medium-range strike capability and mobile launchers providing survivability, while weaknesses are limited accuracy at 1,600 to 3,300 feet, circular error probable, liquid fuel requiring hours of preparation, and vulnerability to missile defense systems. Sejal, the solid fuel revolution, Iran 2008 to present. The Sejal uses solid fuel propulsion, eliminating preparation time required for liquid fuel missiles while providing approximately 1,240 miles range. The missile weighs approximately 50,700 pounds, carrying a 1,650 to 2,200 pound warhead with two-stage solid rocket motors, and solid fuel can be stored indefinitely, allowing rapid launch from mobile transporter erector launchers. Iran first tested Sejal in 2008 and conducted multiple successful tests through 2011, but testing appeared to slow after 2011, suggesting possible technical problems. Strengths include solid fuel allowing rapid launch and indigenous development demonstrating advanced capabilities, while weaknesses are apparent reduction in testing suggesting problems and limited numbers compared to Shahab-3 fleet. Fateh 110, the tactical precision strike, Iran 2002 to present. The Fateh 110 short-range ballistic missile has range of approximately 186 miles, weighing approximately 7,275 pounds and carrying a 1,100-pound warhead with solid fuel propulsion and terminal guidance, providing accuracy reportedly under 33 feet CEP. Iran has exported Fateh 110 technology to Hezbollah in Lebanon and Houthi forces in Yemen, with both groups using the missiles against Israeli and Saudi targets. Combat use includes the Al-Assad airbase attack in 2020 following Soleimani's assassination, demonstrating precision as multiple missiles struck specific buildings. Strengths include solid fuel allowing rapid deployment, improved accuracy making precision strikes possible, and combat-proven effectiveness, while weaknesses are limited range and vulnerability to missile defense systems. Khaibar-Shikan, the new generation, Iran 2022 to present. The Khaibar-Shikan, announced in 2022, has claimed range of approximately 900 miles with significantly improved accuracy. The missile is reportedly based on the Fateh 110 family, but incorporates substantial improvements including extended range and enhanced guidance. Limited information exists about deployment numbers or operational status, as Iran announced the system recently without extensive public testing. Strengths include claimed extended range and improved accuracy, while weaknesses are unverified performance claims and limited deployment making capabilities uncertain. Qadr, the Shahab evolution, Iran 2007 to present. The Qadr represents an improved version of the Shahab-3 with enhanced range reportedly reaching 1,240 to 1,550 miles and upgraded guidance systems. The missile retains liquid fuel propulsion but incorporates a baby bottle nose cone design claimed to extend range and improve accuracy. Strengths include extended range compared to original Shahab-3, while weaknesses are continued reliance on liquid fuel, requiring extended preparation time and unverified performance improvements. Cruise missiles, low-altitude penetration. SOMAR, the Soviet legacy, Iran 2015 to present. The SOMAR cruise missile is based on reverse-engineered Soviet Kh-55 cruise missiles that Iran allegedly acquired from Ukraine in the early 2000s. The SOMAR reportedly has range exceeding 1,240 miles, weighing approximately 4,400 pounds and carrying a warhead estimated between 440 to 880 pounds with terrain-following capability. Limited information exists about Sumer's actual deployment status or operational capabilities. Strengths include long-range strike capability and low-altitude flight, making detection difficult, while weaknesses are unverified capabilities and limited deployment, suggesting technical challenges. Nor, the anti-ship threat, Iran, the 2000s to present. The Nor anti-ship cruise missile is based on Chinese C-802 technology with range of approximately 75 to 120 miles. The missile weighs approximately 1,540 pounds, carrying a 360-pound warhead with sea-skimming capability, allowing flight at 16 to 23 feet altitude. Hezbollah forces used Nor against the Israeli corvette INS Hanit in 2006, seriously damaging the vessel and killing 4 sailors, proving the missile's combat effectiveness. Strengths include proven combat effectiveness and sea-skimming capability, while weaknesses are limited range and vulnerability to electronic countermeasures. Unmanned systems, the drone revolution. Shahid 136, the kamikaze swarm, Iran 2021 to present. The Shahid 136 loitering munition achieved global notoriety when Russia employed hundreds against Ukrainian infrastructure in 2022 and 2023. The drone weighs approximately 440 pounds, carrying an 88-pound warhead with range exceeding 1,240 miles and costs estimated between $20,000 to $50,000 per unit. The drone uses GPS navigation, flying pre-programmed routes with distinctive triangular shape and loud buzzing sound. Russia's combat use demonstrated that while individual drones are vulnerable, massed attacks with dozens simultaneously can saturate defenses. Strengths include extremely low cost, allowing mass production and proven combat effectiveness, while weaknesses are vulnerability to electronic warfare, disrupting GPS navigation, and slow speed, making interception possible. Shahid 129, the persistent hunter, Iran 2012 to present. The Shahid 129 combines surveillance and strike missions with endurance exceeding 20 hours. The drone weighs approximately 880 pounds empty, with maximum takeoff weight around 2,860 pounds, carrying up to 8 SATD precision-guided bombs. Iran has employed Shahid 129 in Syria, supporting Assad regime forces and against ISIS targets. Strengths include long endurance and precision-guided munitions, while weaknesses are vulnerability to advanced air defenses and limited sensor sophistication. Mohajer 6, the tactical workhorse, Iran 2017 to present. The Mohajer 6 tactical drone weighs approximately 1,320 pounds maximum takeoff weight, with endurance of approximately 12 hours. It carries sensors including electro-optical and infrared cameras, plus up to 4 precision-guided munitions, including the Almas anti-tank missile. Iran has exported Mohajer 6 to Venezuela, Ethiopia, and potentially other nations. Strengths include operational-level surveillance and precision strike capability, while weaknesses are vulnerability to air defenses and limited payload. Armored forces, indigenous development. Zulfikar, the hybrid tank, Iran, the 1990s to present. The Zulfikar main battle tank combines Western technology from pre-revolutionary M60 and Chieftain tanks with Soviet-era T-72 components. The tank weighs approximately 79,400 pounds, mounting a 125mm smoothbore gun copied from Soviet designs. Limited information exists about production numbers or deployment status, and the absence of significant production suggests technical or budgetary challenges. Strengths include indigenous production and 125mm gun providing firepower, while weaknesses are uncertain protection levels and limited production numbers. Carrier, the modern ambition, Iran 2017 to present. The Carrier, unveiled in 2017, has visual similarity to Russian T-90, reportedly weighing approximately 99,200 pounds and mounting a 125mm smoothbore gun with autoloader. Iranian officials claim advanced fire control systems and potentially active protection systems. Limited information exists about production numbers or operational deployment years after unveiling, suggesting either technical problems or budgetary constraints. Strengths include claimed modern fire control systems, while weaknesses are unverified capabilities and limited or non-existent production. Conclusion: Iran's arsenal demonstrates that determined nations can develop significant military power despite sanctions.